Hello, children. How are you all? I know you are missing your school and your teachers as well. But till the time the condition gets better, we are going to provide you online content so that you don't miss your studies. So, are you ready to start today's class? Yes. So, let's start then. So, this is the ninth activity that we are going to do today. Dear parents, please go through these instructions before we start the activity. Now, these are the answers to your previous activity that we did on ordinal numbers. So, if you have any doubts related to the activity we did last time, please check your answers from here. So, let's start with our today's topic, which is addition and subtraction. We are basically going to do revision of what you have already studied in class 1. It's very simple and I know you are going to enjoy it. So first, let us start with addition. Now, first of all, before starting, let us just see what are the different words by which we know that it is addition. When we see the term together, we know it's addition. For add, if in the question there is a word add, means we have to do addition. Again, if we have more, how much more we need to add? So again, we use addition. Similarly, if you see the word plus, that also means addition. Increase also means to increase the number, to add the number, which again means addition. And similarly, sum of the numbers, which again means it is addition. So what are the different words that we use for addition? We use together, add, sum, increase, plus, more. These all together means addition. So when we see the term together or add, sum, increase, plus, more, we know it is, yes, we know it is addition. Now, do you know what is the symbol of addition? Yes, you are correct. We use this plus sign for addition. When we see this plus sign, we know we have to add the numbers. So this plus sign in maths tells us that it is addition, or we have to add the number. Now let us see what is the definition of addition. Addition is finding the total sum by combining two numbers. Suppose you have two pencils and your friend gives you one more. So how many pencils you have together? 2 plus 1, which will be 3. Very good. Now suppose you have two candies and your brother gives you two more. So how many you have together? Very good. You have 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So you have total 4 candies in that case. So that is how we use addition. Let us revise once more that addition is finding the total sum by combining two numbers. Okay, when we add two numbers, so that is addition. And what are the different terms that we use for addition? Together, add, sum, increase, plus, more. These all means addition. Very good. I know you are going to remember and not going to forget. So let us move to an example now. Now here we have a very simple example for you. Can you see this picture where there are so many aliens made? So here we have two aliens, which we have written here, two aliens, plus, which means, what does the sign means? Yes, it means add, plus one more alien. So two aliens plus one alien is equal to how many aliens? 3, 1, 2, and if we add one more, it will become 3. So here, after equal to, we get 3 aliens because we have added 2 alien plus 1 alien. Let us revise once more. You can see here 2 aliens. 2 aliens, plus, which means we have to add one more alien to this. So if we combine this together, it will become 3 aliens. So we have 2 aliens plus 1 alien is equal to 3 aliens. Very good. So after understanding what is addition, we move to, yes, we move to subtraction now. Subtraction. Now let us just see what is subtraction and what are the different terms that we use for subtraction. So we use decrease. Decrease means to lessen something. Take away, minus, deduct, subtract, and difference. So whenever you see these terms, decrease, minus, subtract, difference, deduct, take away, which together means subtraction. When you see decrease means we have to do subtraction, minus again subtraction, subtract, subtraction, difference again we have to do subtraction, deduct again means subtraction, and take away means subtraction. Now do you know what is the sign of subtraction? Yes, you are correct. We use minus. We use this sign for subtraction. This is known as the minus sign, the subtraction sign in maths. Now what is the definition of subtraction? Subtraction means taking one number away from another number. Now suppose you have 4 pencils with you and you gave away 1 pencil to your sister. So how many pencils are left with you? You are left with 3 pencils. Very good. So subtraction means to take away, to deduct the things, to give away the things. That is subtraction. So let's revise once again. What is subtraction? So what are the different terms that we use for subtraction? Decrease, minus, subtract, difference, deduct, take away. And what is the sign that we use? Yes, we use this sign in maths for subtraction. And what is subtraction? Subtraction is taking one number away from another number. Very good. So after understanding what is subtraction, we will see one example. Now here you can see there are 3 ice creams. How many ice creams? 3. And we have to subtract or minus how many ice creams from this? We have to minus 2 ice creams from it. So how many will be left? So we have 3 minus 2, which will be equal to 1. Yes. So 3 ice creams minus 2 ice cream is equal to 1 ice cream. So now let's revise one more time. So if you have 3 ice creams and you give 1 to your mother, 1 to your father, so how many are left with you? Yes, you are left with 1 ice cream. So 3 ice creams minus 2 ice creams is equal to 1. So now we have understood what is addition and what are the different terms used for addition, and what is subtraction and what are the different terms used for subtraction. So I have this activity for you all which will help you to revise your concept of addition and subtraction which we have understood just now. So for doing the activity, you need to read the step on this page and on this page as well. Now, when you are done with that, what you need is a dice, a pencil, and number sentence recording page so that you are going to make in your notebook. Now what you are going to do is you're going to make 4 columns. In the first column, you're going to write roll 1, then roll 2. In the third column, addition number sentence, and in the last column, subtraction number sentence. When you are done with making the columns, now you are going to roll the dice. Whichever number you get on your dice. Suppose you get 6, so you're going to note down the number in the first column. Now again, you're going to roll the same dice, and whichever number you get, suppose you get 3, so you're going to note down the number in the second column. After doing that, we have to add the number with the sentence. Now we got 6 and 3. So we are going to write 6 plus 3 is equal to, then we are going to add the number like 6 plus 3, which is 9. So that we have done here. Then for the second step, you are going to flip the numbers. Like 3 is going to come first and then 6. So again, you're going to add the numbers. And one important thing that you are going to get both the answers same because we are adding the same numbers only. It's just that we are flipping the numbers. When we are done with addition, we are going to come to subtraction. So for that, whatever answer you get for addition, like we got 9 here, so we are going to write 9 minus 6 and 9 minus 3. So that only we have done here. So similarly, you are going to repeat it 4 more times. We have done one example for you all, which you can refer when you are doing the activity. So take your time and enjoy doing the activity. Now, after you are done with this activity, we are going to do the revision of what you have studied today. So we have some mixed sums for you here of addition and subtraction. Now you can solve these in your notebook. And when you are done with this, we have a very small story sums for you to revise. So again, in your notebook, you are just going to solve. No need to copy the sum, just solve it in your notebook. So hope you enjoyed doing the revision of addition and subtraction and got to learn so many different terms that we use for both of them. Thank you. So I request all of you to take care of yourself and your health and keep learning. We'll come up with some new activities for you all. Take care. Bye. See you soon.